Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, just some random footage, man. Hope you guys are having a good 4th of July week, and I'll be right back to talk to you. All right. Hey, Lawn Dogs, so you're gonna find out why I have been so out of it, and it's because of this thing behind me. My ducks, and building this pen and all that stuff for them. So we're working on it. We got it done for the 4th of July anyway, and we're gonna come back and fix it up when I get back. I got a pond over here I'm gonna put in for them and all kinds of other stuff. But anyway, hey, check out this footage. Some random footage of me and Morgan and other people. We're doing stuff. So check it out. Hope you like it. Happy 4th of July. I'll be back at the end. Hey, Lawn Dogs, we got a storm coming in today, but I want to show you what I did this morning. Let me turn this around. Betty got a little makeover. Got the number there. Sticker, nothing fancy. I got the little Mowers for vets on the back. So, there it is. Betty is ready. Betty is ready. Hey, Lawn Dogs, I'm at this house here. A client of mine from last year, fall cleanup. I did a fall cleanup for him. Called me and wants me to give him a quote on this property he just bought. I'm assuming he's going to turn into a rental. For one-time mow, and then maybe maybe weekly if he can't keep up with it, he said. So we'll see. But let me show you what we're working with here. It's all push. It's all push. Let me show you. So as you can see, guys, it's really long. I couldn't get a rider or a standard or anything down here, so this is all going to be hand pushed. And you can see here. Oh, let me open this gate. It's pretty thick. They just bought this house. They need it maintained, and there's no way man. That's just waiting to ask for somebody to fall off that edge and die. Oh. I mean, it's not bad. It's just overgrown. It just hasn't been taken care of. I don't know if the old tenants moved out or what, but there's no way that this is going to be anything but a hand push job. See, it goes down that. It's a pretty steep hill. So, not undoable. It just, you know, this one's going to take a little more time. Man, that's steep. Man, that's downtown Fremont down there. It's gorgeous during Christmas time, but and harvest time, really. Access to it's pretty easy. We're just gonna have to do push mowers. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna want this down here knocked down with a weed whacker. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Lawn Dogs, so we're at the Toolbox of Tribute. We got a sticker in from Sean from Minnesota Landscape. Let's check it out. Minnesota Lawn and Landscape. All right, got a little letter. Floyd, can you send me one more sticker? One I gave to my daughters, as I didn't think about being a part of the whole sticker swap. So, Sean, I will send you another sticker, buddy. I will send you another sticker. We're going to put yours up there. Sticker swap's a thing, man. Sticker swap is a thing. And I don't know right where I'm going to put you on here if I can get this thing peeled. See, don't bite your fingernails, kids. I do. And it's a burden on me when it comes to stuff like this. But hey, oh look, great. It's a peel spot in the back, of course. Alright. Alright, Minnesota, we are going to put you right under BLC. Alright, so let's see here. There he is, guys. I'll put a link into his channel in the description. As long as I remember to. Suck at it. But those are my stickers so far. Valley, Bush, Acme, Long Hair Little Guy, Blue Wave Odyssey. He's an RV channel. That's my Army one, and that's my unit that I was with, 2-4 Aviation Regiment. 8 Helicopter Battalion Brigade. But yeah, Valleys, who else? Then, you know, I got my other little stickers over here. So, anyway. All right. We'll see you here next time I get a sticker. Don't be afraid to send me them. I'll send you some. Hey, lawn dogs. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. And I know it was kind of short, but hey, sometimes they're short, right? That's what she said. Anyway, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out. See ya.